Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to set up the Elgato HD Gamer video capture. So right now I'm recording through it. So after you install the program or the driver, you have these two icons right here, and you just click on this and start it. This one right here. And when you start it, you get to this screen right here. So you click on this gear, you go to capture. See, I selected PC, HDMI, HDMI audio, game capture for me, and I didn't touch that. I just left this. I just left this also, so that's there. And the thing you have to do is, let's see, you go to this gear right here, and you could save to the directory that you want to. So for me, it's D drive video, so everything goes into D drive videos for all three. You could put whatever you want. So hotkeys you could enter if you want to set up a recording button, or a button to add live commentary or a screenshot or save flash recording. You could just set the keys over here, but I didn't do it. So next thing you have to do is you need to go to this thing right here, game capture, sound capture, I'm sorry, and you go to advanced. For me, I set the microphone, which is Realtek high definition audio free, and it says, where do you want to hear your audio device? For me, it's Elgato high definition audio device. It's not one of these. So gaming, it's also Elgato high definition audio device. So you have all this. So it's not Realtek, that's for sure. It's also the same thing here. So music, it's also Elgato high definition. I didn't set it up, so I'm gonna exit here. So the next thing you have to do is you need to go to control panel, and here's my cheat sheet. So you go to, I'm gonna go back again. So it's control panel, hardware and sound. Then you'll get this option in playback. It'll be speakers. So you right click, go to properties, and this would have to be enabled, and this too would also have to be enabled. So this is enabled, this is a communication device. So you would set it at communication device, and this is the default device. And the recording thing is, if you want to hear the sound from the Elgato HD Gamer, then you have to go to stereo here. This is default, and then this is the listening. This is a default communication device. So this is communicating with your microphone. So I'm going to right click here, go here, and you have to click on listen to this device if you want to hear what you're saying on the video capture card. So for me, it's Elgato high definition audio device. It's not this, it's not speakers. This is for your microphone. So this is what you select, and you select listen to device and apply, and then go to audio, and this would have to be set at default communication device and properties, listen, and for the one on the top, sorry about that, you see properties, for line it was Elgato high definition audio device, right? For this, it's speaker Elgato sound capture. So if you don't do this correct, you're gonna hear like a staticky noise, and also you have to listen to this device in order for you to use it. And then you just click apply and then OK, and that's it. That's all you have to do to set up the sound and the video for the Elgato HD Gamer. So that's all you have to do, okay? So thanks for watching by Ace. I'll leave everything in the descriptions here on where you could get the driver if you don't have it, and all the stuff that I did basically, okay? Thanks for watching by Ace 1000KS 1975, signing out.